Finger.
Just try it. Try a little bite.
You try it. Why do my feeder? It's soupy.
Too hot? No.
Oh my god. Okay.
And to think we do this shit completely sober. It's pretty bad.
Alright, this is happening. What do I do? Just give it to her?
Ask her if she wants some. Just
She's not back. Oh man.
talk back.
What is that? What's happening? She's not doing anything.
She's choking.
Is she
You just need
broken?
to try it in the bottle, okay? On the spoon. You have to get it like all the way down her mouth so she swallows. You have to put it in so you can hear the eating noise. There you go.
Poor Cam.
Poor Cam.
I think.
Now take it out and give her more.
I'm real thirsty, Mom.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm fucking freaked out. She's not making. Okay.
Give her a little squeeze.
How thirsty are you, Mildred?
Why is this so funny?
She's thirsty. Alright, you're freaking me out.
Mommy, playtime? Hugs and kisses. Mwah.
Oh my god. Give her feet until she likes burps.
Oh my god. She is starving.
I'm so thirsty.
Such a needy little bitch.
This is the best time I've had in a long time. Oh my god.
This diaper is gonna be a mess. Alright. It's really freaking me out. I'm gonna stick it in there. She's so happy.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm
People are
fucking.
gonna think we're on serious drugs.
What's happening?
I think you're gonna have to feed her faster.
This could take all night.
God, she keeps getting thirsty, and so
You don't have to actually do what she said. The more you look up at it, look at me. What a good mommy you are. Oh my god.
what did she say?
She said yuck.
This is stressful. Oh, it's falling out of her mouth.